often wonder why our children lose interest in studying. Modern kids are so different. It is not enough for them to hear about something they have never seen. We need to show it to them, let them touch it, and try it out for themselves. MultiBoard comes in very handy. Children get involved, they are interested, and easily absorb the knowledge.
We demand high grades from our students. We want them to win academic competitions, but what can we offer on our part? For me, the MultiBoard is a worthy investment into the future of our children.
Our lessons are like smartphone games. The MultiBoard has replaced all our gadgets. We run experiments, prove the theorems, play musical instruments, and draw. Everyone now wants to go to the board. It's so cool!